Allah SWT save the Republic of Indonesia and make it a prosperous and blessed country. May Allah SWT liberate Palestine and free the Al-Aqsa Mosque from the grip of the Israeli Zionist occupation.
يا ابن أقصانا ودك الأرض نيرانا وزلزل